If you're a business owner na nahihirapan gumawa ng content about their products or services and until now ay confused ka pa rin kung paano ba talaga gumawa ng content to better market your business consistently, then stick until the end of this video kasi I will show you how to structure your video content na pwedeng mo-post organically on social media and pwede mo din gamitin as advertising creatives in the hopes of getting you more sales. So if you are new here, my name is Marco. I'm the founder of ROI Media, a company that helps businesses increase their sales revenue through content creation, social media marketing, and online sales. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's jump right into the video. So first things first, the one on our list is yung hook. Okay, dapat marunong ka kung paano ka gumawa ng hook. Okay, kasi itong hook na to, usually ang punot dulo or point lang naman of having a hook is actually catching someone's attention. Okay, you just have to catch their attention para yung video mo ay papanoorin nila. So alam mo yung feeling na, or alam mo yung mga moments where nagsuscroll ka sa social media and then pinakita ka isang video and then you decided to watch it. That video itself has a great hook, so it might be productive for you to actually watch that video and analyze kung ano yung hook niya doon. Okay? So, yan yung hook. Something na attention grabbing. Okay? Just grab the attention. You can do a pattern interrupt, something visual, or pwede kang magpakita ng something crazy on the start of your video or something extreme, yung may nasusunog or may tumatalon from a very high place or kumbaga yung mga video na hinuhulog nila yung iPhone nila pa from a very high place or pwede din yung from Mr. Beast, yung umaakyat sila ng Mount Everest just to promote their snack bar na chocolate snack bar I think, or it was something na healthy snack bar. Call out, yung kino-call out mo mismo yung target customers or target market or target audience na gusto mong makapanood ng video mo. Okay? So, some examples of this would be, yun, are you struggling with acne scars that just won't fade? A call out would be, if you're someone who's struggling with acne scars and it just won't fade, then this is the solution for you. Aside from that, pwede din siyang pattern interrupt. Pwede ka din to begin your video with split screens. It really depends kung anong gusto mo or something crazy or extreme. Merong fire or yun, may tumatalon or may nahuhulog. Kaya sobrang trending ng mga match cuts kasi it's very entertaining and it's really very effective when it comes to driving engagements. Now, usually, nagbibigay kami ng mga guide questions to our clients kasi usually binibigay namin netong klaseng training kapag hindi sila abot ng aming production team. Kumbaga yung team na nagsushoot and nagtitake ng videos and photo clips para magawa namin into content for our clients. Usually, when we cannot reach them, we hire a professional videographer or photographer to actually shoot the content or clips that we need to edit for their business. And usually, ang ginagawa namin is nagbibigay kami ng guide questions for them to answer para mas madali for them. The mga question is, what is the most pressing problem or desire that your audience has? Or how can you phrase this in a way na nag-grab siya ng attention immediately? Essentially, again, ang punot dulo or goal ng hook is to actually just catch someone's attention para yung video mo ang papanoorin nila. Okay? So, next. Number two. Number two is stating the problem. Okay? Pagkatapos mo nag-grab yung attention nila, ngayon, kailangan gagawin mo silang problem aware. When they're problem aware, then they would now be primed or parang maeengganyo sila ngayon na mas manood palalo kasi if meron silang ganong klaseng problem and you're talking about the problem or trying to solve that problem in that specific video, then that's something that they would genuinely be interested kasi nga may problema nga sila about it ay gusto nilang ma-solve. So basing from the previous example na sabihin natin na are you like struggling with acne scars that just won't fade, pwede mo siyang i-agitate palalo or like parang i-state mo or make them more problem aware kasi anybody can have acne scars and some won't even care. But if you're gonna put them in a specific situation na na-experience na nila before, then maybe mas lalong silang maging interested sa video mo. So you can say na, are you struggling with acne scars that just won't fade? Acne scars can be very persistent and can affect your confidence, making you feel self-conscious in certain social situations. Alam mo yun, parang ina-agitate mo siya lalo kasi ay nga no, meron yung time na naalala ko na having a pimple on my face or having that scar on my face even though na meron akong makeup is parang nahihiya pa rin ako na magpakita. Ayaw ko yung meron akong blemishes and everything. Alam mo yun, nagiging problem aware na sila ngayon. So usually ang ginagawa namin here is we just give them guide questions again on how to quickly make sure na they're on the right path when nasa part na sila ng pag-structure ng nagsistate na sila ng problem. Okay, again, first, number one, gagawin natin is mag-hook tayo, do something crazy or extreme, or i-call out mo ngayon yung person, like if you have acne scars, if you're someone who has acne scars, ganyan. Or pwede mo siyang sabihin na teenagers ages 18 to 21. If you're having acne scars that just won't fade away, alam natin lahat ng acne scars can be very persistent and can affect your confidence, make you feeling self-conscious in social situations. Then look no further. Next step na yun yung ano na yun, just to show you paano siya kino-combine. But essentially, ang guide questions is, what specific problem does your audience have or face? So for this example, it will be acne scars, and of course, ina-associate natin ngayon with a emotional na attachment na makes you feel self-conscious in certain social situations, can affect your confidence. Mas may reason na sila ngayon na mas makinig kung paano i-solve yung problem, kasi feeling na nila ngayon naiintindihan natin sila. Okay, if you combine those with the next step, kasi yung next step is of course presenting ourselves as the saving grace, na yung product natin or yung service natin becomes the solution. So if you combine all three together with the next step, which is presenting ourselves as the saving grace solution sa mga problema ng ating viewers, or yung products natin that solves their acne scars, or yung services natin that solves acne scars, then this is how it would look like with all three combined. Okay, now acne scars and pimple marks are a thing of the past. It doesn't have to hold you back from going out and meeting your friends, because here at XXXX, kung asa may ang place na yan, we have a treatment that treats acne scars and old pimple marks in no time, so that you can go out in the summer and meet your friends. Okay? So alam mo yun, from acne scars, hindi sila makalabas para ma-meet out yung friends nila, and if you're targeting younger generation, gusto nila lumabas talaga, and then here comes a treatment or an offer or a product or a service that solves that specific problem para makalabas sila more out with their friends and spend time. So alam mo yun, from taking them from a problem aware, now solution aware na sila, and it's really up to them to actually whether to try your services or products or not. But the next step here is to present your product or services as the solution. So if i-represent mo sila, you have taken them from a problem-aware state now to a solution-aware state, and then you will now show them how your product and services can solve their problem, para mapupunta ngayon sila sa state wherein they would be considering if bibili ba sila sa inyo or itatry ba nila yung product nyo or hindi. Okay? So are you still following? Okay? So example would be introducing Rajuran as a revolutionary acne scar treatment that promotes skin regeneration and blah 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 blah. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, take it with a grain of salt. This is just for example and educational purposes only. Don't copy it like as is, kasi baka it won't do as well. So you still have to be creative here. Effortan nyo pa rin to ng konti para mag-work siya for your business. I'm just saying na this is just a parang example for educational purposes again. So yan, now that we have taken them from being a problem aware to a solution aware, and then right now, parang habang kinikwento natin sa video natin ngayon kung paano yung products and services natin can solve their problems and present it or position it as a solution, they now go into the what we call consideration phase. So naging problem aware na sila. Oh, I think this brand understands what I'm feeling, ano yung mga problema ko. Oh, eto pala yung yung solution to my problem, ino-offer nila. Okay, that's nice. So ngayon, ipapakita lang kung paano, and i-convince mo then from there kung paano yung masasolve yung problem nila. Okay? So, makikita nila ngayon yun. Usually, sa dito na part, ang tinatanong lang namin sa mga client namin, okay, what does your product and services do to solve the problem? Make sure na you are selling the benefits and not the features. Features is kung ano yung ginagawa ng products or services nyo, and a benefit is kung ano yung makukuha nila out of it. So, let's say, for example, ang isang feature is, let's say, for example, using advanced technology called Rajuran S. It removes your acne and pimple marks, making you look fresh, young, and happy. I don't know. I'm just thinking out of my brain here. So yeah, ang feature is using advanced technology called Rajuran S. It removes acne and pimple marks. Ito naman is what we call the benefit. Okay? Benefit. Yan. Making you look fresh, young, and happy. Okay? Ano yung makukuha nila or yung desired outcome nila from it? So that is how you position your products and services in front of clients para sila yung product mo mas maalala nila. Now, next step is showing them social proof na nag-work yung iyong products or services. Okay? Now, reviews and testimonials are great ways to actually help the viewers make the decision easier para bumili ng products and services nyo or mag-try ng products and services nyo. Kasi nakikita ngayon ng ibang tao na ginagamit pala ng ibang tao, so nakikita nila yung kung ano yung results talaga, yung actual. Diba? Let's say for example, right now, if you buy things on Shopee, on Lazada, or online, but the number one thing that you're looking for are the reviews, okay? Isa yun sa mga kinoconsider ng mga tao. That's why sobrang lakas lately nung mga UGC videos, diba? So, user-generated content is something that parang video version ng reviews and testimonials kasi pinapakita firsthand kung ano yung na-experience nila and ano yung actual results out of it. So, if you have those reviews and testimonials from your customers and clients, then as much as possible, do include them sa clip ng inyong content structure, okay? So, an example would be like, just listen to what our happy clients have to say. So, yan, clip 1. After just a few treatments with Regeron S, my acne scars are barely noticeable. So, I feel so much more confident. Thank you, XXX, kung ano mo yung brand name or service provider name ninyo. Okay? And then dash, kung sino man yan na customer. Okay? Again, these are just guide questions. These are just examples for educational and example purposes only. You can take it, review it, and make it into your own, specific to your business. But this is just to serve as a guide. Now, guide questions usually na ina-answer namin for, pinapa-answer namin for our clients is that na-ask namin sila kung ano yung mga positive experience na your customers have had with your products or services. Okay? That's one. And then, can you include direct quotes or video snippets from satisfied customers? So, if they have videos and clips of their customers talking in front of the camera, endorsing their product, telling their story kung ano yung na-experience nila with the product, then all the more so maganda. Okay? Now, again, if you're running a business and you're still new, baka wala pa kayo nito, you can try and test your product and services to your friends and family. And of course, through time, ask them for their honest feedback. This will not only help your business improve but also build your business, yung social proof ng business mo, kumbaga. Okay? So, last but not the least is kapag natapos na natin yung apat na yun is yung call to action. Okay? Now, what is a call to action? A call to action is a clear, compelling, simple instruction to your viewers on what you want them to do next. Okay? Now, I'll lay it out for you. Okay? First, grinab natin yung attention nila. Ngayon, ginawa natin silang problem aware of their problems. And then, we now shifted them to a solution-aware person na meron kang solution for them. Ngayon, pinakonsider natin sila by showing proof and yung methodology kung paano natin gawin in full transparency kung ano yung ma-expect nila. Okay? And now, whether or not maybe they're ready to buy, it really actually depends kung gaano kagaling yung pag-structure ng video and how convincing the actual content is. But the last thing that you can only do to show to the viewers and your video is that lalagyan mo lang sila ng simple call to action. So, a simple call to action can be a combination of an offer plus instruction. Okay? Usually, yan lang yung ano namin. Try namin ibigay sa client to keep things simple. Again, this can be different for different types of businesses, but the principle is still the same. It can be an offer plus an instruction, or it can be an offer, promotion, or instruction. Okay? So usually, ang example namin na binibigay is this. So don't wait any longer. Enjoy a 50% discount to achieve clear skin that you deserve. Visit our website today and book your Regeron S treatment now, or like, and buy your Regeron S bundle, I don't know, skincare kit today. So, yan yung mga call to actions na pwede natin gawin. So, usually, ang offer is something na you can do for them. So, paano ba siya? Like, achieve clearer and younger skin today. So, that is like an offer. What you can do for them by visiting our website today and booking your Regeron S treatment now. So, that is a call to action. Simple lang. Visit lang kayo ng website and then i-book mo na yung Regeron skin treatment mo today. So, ganun lang siya. Fairly simple and straightforward. So, this is what we call direct response. This is something na the Philippine market should really study about. Kasi ito yung type ng mga videos wherein binibigay mo derechahan. Kung may problema sila, ito yung solution. Let's match it and make it happen and make sure that you actually as a business solve their problem. Hindi yung binubudol mo lang sila for the sake of the sale. Okay? Kasi at the end of the day, in summary, if you do this correctly, number one, your hook should always grab the audience's attention. And when you clearly state the problem that they face, they become problem aware. Yan. Problem aware. Yan. And then, when you present your product or service as the ideal solution, ngayon, naging solution aware na sila. Aware sila na may solution sa problem nila. And then, use reviews and testimonials to build trust. So, Ngayon, nasa consideration phase na sila. Consideration, if itatry ba nila yung products or services mo, okay? And ngayon, end it with a strong call to action para meron sila sa nearest state that they can be to try or purchase your products or services. Yan. So again, hook your audience immediately, grab attention. Kapag nakuha mo ng attention, make them problem aware, okay, with specific situations na call out. So let's say for example, if you're a young woman ages 18 to 21 and acne problems is like one of their biggest parang tawag ito, mga insecurities, then this video is for you. O, diba? Parang gayon. So call out mo siya, grab your attention, make them problem aware. Sometimes it's a combination of both. You can say that in one sentence, depende kung gaano ka creative. So yan. And then you tell them na you position your product or services to make them solution aware. And then use reviews and testimonials to build trust. Kasi kasali yun sa consideration phase nila. Ikaw, kapag may kino-consider kang bilhin na, especially if it's something na expensive or something that's usually not within your budget, then you really have to consider, right? So you need other factors in play para ma-justify mo yung purchase mo na yun. So one thing would be kung ano yung experiences sa ibang tao with the product so that you can know what to expect and para aware ka if what you're getting is something of quality and you're getting the most out of your hard-earned money towards that purchase. Okay? So kailangan ng consideration, kailangan ng trust. Okay? Kailangan natin mag-build ng trust. And then at the end, guide them with a strong and simple call to action. Yung simple lang. Okay? And then usually, kapag may call to action ka na, the way it goes is that kapag structure mo siya ng mas maganda, is that lalagyan mo yan siya ngayon ng promo or offer plus yung call to action. Para combination siya and maganda yung labas. Okay? So, all the more reason na itatry nila ngayon. Like today. Okay? Or may limited time offer ka ba? Or anything that goes with that. Okay? Again, each section should be crafted to engage the viewer, address their needs, and guide them towards taking the desired action so that you, as a business owner, can offer your products and services to customers that actually needs it. Okay? Again, that's pretty much it for this video. In the next video, I will show you kung ano yung mga examples ng mga creatives na usually nararan namin. We'll go through it and then we'll give out examples kung paano siya gagawin. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!